Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable the Developer Tools icon in Google Chrome on your PC, especially after the latest updates. Whether you're a web developer or just curious about what goes on behind the scenes of your favorite websites, having access to Developer Tools can be incredibly useful. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once you have Chrome open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. Here you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is known as the More icon. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and click on Appearance. This section allows you to adjust how Chrome looks and feels. Within the Appearance settings, look for Customize your toolbar. This option gives you control over which icons and tools are visible in your toolbar. Finally, enable Developer Tools by toggling the appropriate option. This will add the Developer Tools icon to your toolbar, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled the Developer Tools icon in Google Chrome. Now you can inspect elements, debug code, and explore all the powerful features that come with Developer Tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Chrome effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!